Okay, Google, open lock.
Can I have your PIN?
32951.
Alright, sorry, I can't reach the lock.
What's up, guys? So I did an upgrade of my door lock from the EY578 to the E877 Pro. I had done a review of this lock. So first I had to take off the batteries, disconnect the cable, and then I take off the motors from the display mode that I have. So after that was done, I had to remove the lock which is already on my door first by taking off the batteries, and then I unscrewed it from the door. And this was a quite easy process. Just about everyone can do it. It's quite easy and straightforward. As you can see, guys, the welder did a terrible job with the door. Nothing looking nice, but had to do it like that. That's not my house, so I had to try it. So I had to first of all change the motors. Thankfully, the motors of the EY578 is the same as that of the 877 Pro, so I didn't have any problems fitting it back. And I had to fit the Pro version, and that was very easy, guys. Just plug in the cable, the rod, and then you tie it back to place. So I had done a review of this same device, so you can check it out on my channel. You would see the differences I done for both devices, and those work really well.
Open lock.
Can I have your PIN? Got it. Unlocking the lock.